All right, RC folks, we're getting ready to have the Vaterra Twin Hammers try and conquer the course here in Merritt. Vaterra Twin Hammers on the Merritt course.
Due to battery mount.
Oh, the tragedy that is. But go ahead and run it. I wasn't recording that entire time.
No.
Why do I always do that? I'd be like, oh, I'm talking and I'm recording, and now that the car has been placed in its correct location without reverse. Hammer! Oh yeah, battery came out for the 57,000th time. So far the Vaterra has not made it unassisted, but it made it up there pretty easy, but now it has no reverse, so you're kinda... Reset! We stopped counting the hand of gods, because if God was here, he'd be like, I'm going home. I'm tired of picking your car up.
He's like, bring you your stop, going to, and expecting to run rock crawlers.
Right, we thought this was a good idea. Cut. Yeah, duct tape would probably been a good idea. If you don't find it handsome, she'll at least find it handy. I hate it. If you can't duck it. Blip. All right, now that the battery is inappropriately shoved back into the Vaterra. Hey, kind of made it. Reset. Battery's out. No, can't do it. Not one-handed. And it has no left steer. Yep, we've killed it. It's almost dead. All right, into the woods. All right, Vaterra Twin Hammers. Off the mini jump, over the water. And here we go. As soon as he lines her up. Not sure if it's even gonna make it. Oh, it's in low gear. Battery's almost dead, but we're gonna send it anyways. For the video.
Perfect.
That was not supposed to happen. Go, go, go,
No, there's no power.
Oh, no power. Vaterra is done. Well, all right, we're gonna do this. Hey, still runs.
Hang on.
Second attempt. I can't even see it this time.
It's right there.
Oh, there's the top.
And we're back. Going car fishing again.
Oh, I got it by the wheel.
Oh. We got that on camera.
Got $1.
Got you $1.
Still work?
Yep.
Nah, she works. Okay. All right, let's just drive her out. It's got reverse. We've jumped it, we've dunked it. We've thicked it, we've dunked it. Let's see if you can make it across the pond. Well, you'll have to do it over there. Don't jump in right here. Well, you can, but.